Welcome back to Piston Pundit, your ultimate pit stop. Today, we're tackling Tesla's troubling build quality. While Tesla shines in EV innovation, owners are reporting shocking issues, from faulty components to poor customer responses. There's more beneath the surface than meets the eye. In this video, we'll reveal 7 key reasons why Tesla's build quality is under fire and how the company's handling of these problems is causing frustration. Buckle up and get ready for the inside scoop. Reason number 7, alarming component breakdowns. When we think of a major player like Tesla, you'd expect their vehicle components, like suspensions and drive shafts, to be flawless. Unfortunately, the reality is far from it. Frequent component failures are both surprising and concerning. For instance, a Tesla owner in England experienced a suspension collapse after just 115 miles of driving. Imagine paying for a premium vehicle, only to face a major failure within days. And this isn't an isolated incident. Malfunctioning doors, misaligned panels, and even wheels detaching mid-drive are increasingly common. What's worse is Tesla's apparent inability to perfect these basic components that traditional automakers have long mastered. Instead of taking responsibility, Tesla often shifts blame to drivers or road conditions, damaging trust and raising safety concerns. Reason number 6, widespread issues across the Tesla fleet. Tesla's build quality issues aren't confined to a few unlucky drivers. They're widespread across the entire lineup. From the Model S to the Model Y, thousands of owners have reported similar problems over the years. Shockingly, many of these defects have been around for at least 7 years. Internal documents reveal Tesla has known about these issues since 2016, but hasn't fully disclosed them to regulators or consumers. In any other industry, this would be headline news, yet Tesla manages to avoid the level of scrutiny you'd expect. This begs the question, is Tesla truly prioritizing safety, or are they ignoring systemic problems? If another automaker faced this, the backlash would be swift. Tesla's focus on the future seems to overshadow its present-day customer safety concerns. Reason number 5, the high cost of Tesla's ongoing failures. For Tesla owners, the nightmare extends beyond initial component failures. Once these parts fail, they often face exorbitant repair costs that can severely strain their finances. When warranties expire, many owners confront repair bills that rival the cost of the vehicle itself. One owner reported a staggering $10,000 bill for issues like suspension and drive axle repairs after his warranty expired. This is not an isolated incident. It highlights a troubling trend where Tesla owners frequently pay thousands for repairs that shouldn't be necessary. Adding to the frustration, owners often experience recurring problems, creating a cycle of costly repairs. Tesla's unique EV design also limits repair options to their service centers, further inflating costs and leaving many owners feeling trapped in a system that reflects the company's quality shortcomings. Before we delve deeper, do us a favor and smash that like and subscribe button. This helps us reach more auto enthusiasts just like you. Now let's shift gears and steer towards our next point. Reason number 4, Tesla's poor handling of customer complaints. One of the most frustrating aspects for Tesla owners is how the company handles their complaints. Instead of taking responsibility, Tesla often deflects blame onto the customer. Whether it's a faulty suspension or a malfunctioning door, the standard response is that the driver is at fault. Imagine investing in a top-tier EV only to be told the problem is your fault when issues arise. This dismissive attitude is not only infuriating but also disrespectful. Customers expect premium quality, not blame for manufacturing defects. Worse still, reports suggest Tesla formed a secret team to divert complaints about issues like vehicle range. Rather than addressing problems, they focused on managing public perception, prioritizing image over accountability. What does this say about a company unwilling to admit its faults? Reason number 3, transparency issues exposed. Tesla has built its brand on transparency and innovation, but there's a disconnect when it comes to admitting faults in its build quality. Internal documents reveal that Tesla has been aware of significant issues, like steering rack failures and control arm malfunctions, yet has chosen not to disclose this to regulators or customers. This lack of openness is alarming for consumers who trust automakers to prioritize safety. Ignoring serious safety concerns breaches the trust vital to Tesla's success. Their reluctance to issue widespread recalls or redesign faulty parts leaves drivers unaware of potential dangers. Reason number 2: damage to reputation and public trust. Tesla's reputation as an industry leader is at risk. While the company has cultivated a passionate fan base, more prospective buyers are beginning to second-guess their choices. Reports of poor component quality and dismissive customer service are damaging Tesla's hard-earned public image. For years, Tesla has marketed itself as the pinnacle of the EV revolution, but ongoing quality control issues are raising serious doubts. Consumers are questioning whether they can trust a brand that consistently fails to address critical shortcomings. As the electric vehicle market grows more competitive, how Tesla manages this reputational risk will be crucial for its future success. If the company continues to deflect blame and downplay its problems, it risks alienating loyal customers and deterring new ones. Reason number 1: the crucial role of quality control. In the auto industry, quality control is non-negotiable. It separates safety from disaster. However, Tesla's ongoing struggles with basic quality control raise concerns about its commitment to customer safety and product reliability. For years, Tesla has failed to resolve recurring issues, while other automakers quickly identify and fix defects to build long-term trust. Tesla appears more focused on ramping up production than ensuring its vehicles meet expected standards. If it doesn't address these quality control problems, it risks alienating current customers and falling behind competitors who prioritize reliability and innovation. As competition intensifies in the electric vehicle market, Tesla must enhance its quality control measures to maintain its lead. Otherwise, consumers may gravitate towards more reliable options from equally innovative competitors. The final verdict: Tesla's uphill battle. In summary, Tesla faces serious challenges that threaten its status as an electric vehicle leader. Frequent component failures, a lack of transparency, and rising quality control concerns make the road ahead increasingly difficult. Addressing these issues is essential for retaining consumer trust and ensuring growth. While Tesla has reshaped transportation's future, its success depends on shifting focus from rapid expansion to delivering safe, reliable products. With so much at stake, the company must evolve quickly to maintain its competitive edge. What do you think? Has Tesla's ongoing quality issues impacted your view of the company? Have you experienced any of these problems firsthand? We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Your input could help other prospective buyers make an informed decision. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Piston Pundit. Hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all our upcoming videos, and we'll see you next time.